What do you think of those icicles on there?
Kind of cool.
They're not as big on this side. I did the video late, but we got icicles all over our wing covers. We got to take those off before we can go fly. So, Bean, you want to go fly the airplane?
Yes.
All right, let's get to work. Yep, we're recording now, so hopefully they can see you in that.
Hello, if you can see here.
I'm pretty sure I just broke our mount. So yeah.
Already? Gee, you're good at breaking stuff.
Oh yeah, it's broken. So we'll see how long and what kind of video we get out of that. So you wave at it now. Say, hey, I'm in the airplane.
Hello, I am in the airplane. My father has already broken.
Yep, I broke them out. Okay.
Oh, I thought the lever was just like falling.
No, it's gonna come all the way back. I need you to stay clear. Do you feel all that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It also brushes against my legs a lot.
Yeah, it's going to.
Okay. So funny when it moves on its own.
Okay, well, I'm going to talk now, okay?
Okay.
Fairbanks ground, Citabria 5176 Tango at the refuel station base of the tower for 20 left, and I'm going to fly over to what's called Sherman's Field, just north of Creamer's Field, and do some low passes out there. With Mike.
Citabria 5176 Tango, Fairbanks ground, Roger, understand you're going to Sherman's Field, just north of Creamer's Field for some low passes, correct?
Correct, for 5176 Tango.
Citabria 76 Tango, Roger, runway 20 left, taxi via east ramp.
Citabria 76 Tango, taxi via east ramp, 20 left. Clear left, right, and forward. So now I'm taxiing out so we can go fly. I got to get on the runway. And then we're basically going to go, we're going to take off that way, sweetie. And then we're going to go fly out by our house. And notice how flat the light is out here?
What light?
The runway, so they painted the snow so you can see where to go.
But I get it scary, but it still looks funny.
What looks funny?
The paint.
Oh, yeah.
Will the window be shaking like that the entire time?
No, baby.
Part of the runway, bird pack plowed all winter long.
Yeah, something like that. Okay, I'm going to do a run-up now. So, check controls free and clear. So I need to be able to move the controls all the way back, so you got to stay out of the way of them, okay?
Wide open.
Yeah, especially, was that you? Okay, is your seatbelt still fastened? Okay, we're good then. Are you moving the control? Okay, well, you need to let me know if you're going to do that. Is there something you need to check? Okay, well, I'm going to do run up.
Fabric on.
Is latched. So that's latched good. And you are still buckled?
Yeah.
Okay.
But why would anyone unbuckle?
Well, you never know. That's why I got to check. And then remember, I can't see, so I got to ask and make sure you're good.
Okay.
Cabin doors and windows latched and closed, seat belts, and looking for 55 to 60 for liftoff, 75 climb out, make sure full ridge below 5,000 feet. Ready to go, are you?
Yeah.
Fairbanks Tower, Citabria 5176 Tower, 5176 Tango, holding short, 20 left for takeoff, ready for takeoff.
Runway 5176 Tango, Fairbanks Tower, runway 20 left, make left down on departure, clear for takeoff.
576 Tango, clear for takeoff, 20 left.
Copy 5176 Tango, without delay, please.
Without delay for 76 Tango.
Super bumpy in this one.
Well, hopefully not. If I do it right, it won't be.
It's always the bumpy.
2167 is 13 to south inbound landing 2 left. Right there, 2167, Fairbanks Tower, continue, vehicles on runway. Continue for 2 left, rest 2167. Correction, unit 37 accompany, exit runway 2.
Oh my gosh, we're already... All the different colored airplanes look so cool.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Wow, we do take off fast.
Don't we?
What?
I said, don't we?
Right there, 2167.
I still couldn't hear.
2 left, clear to land. 2 left, go to land rest, 2167. Sorry, we have 517 Tango. Go ahead and start your left downwind departure.
Wow.
Fairbanks Tower, it's 76 Tango, I missed that call.
Sorry, 76 Tango, I was just calling your left turn there, and then where's Sherman Field located at?
Slightly northeast of Creamer's Field, inside of Farmer's Loop, at the edge of the Delta airspace.
Sorry, 5176 Tango, roger. Appreciate it, resume navigation.
76 Tango, resume mountain navigation.
This looks so cool.
You like it?
Yes. Never really saw this side. Trees looks like a corn maze from all the way up here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Come through this maze.
Are you warm enough?
Yeah, I'm warm. I like flying over all the buildings.
I'm glad you're having fun. What do you think?
Awesome view is what I think.
Over there to the right is Ladd Army Airfield.
Huh?
Ladd Army Airfield is over there to the right.
That's why there's so much big open space.
Yeah. That's where I used to fly the helicopters out of, remember?
Looks like it's just like a like a toy, like a little model. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So there's Creamer's Field down there to the left, sweetie.
Huh?
There's Creamer's Field down to the left. You see it? Forward and left?
So cool, because I recognize so many of the buildings.
I know. I'm glad you're having fun. Too bad I broke my mount.
Huh?
I broke my mount. I don't know how good the video is going to be. So right here, can you see that airfield right there? We're slipping. I'm just getting down quicker.
Are we like gonna land? Or are we just
No. We're just flying over here.
Oh! I feel like I can pick up the houses.
So if I do this right, our house will be out the right side. Well, I'll put it out the left side.
I also found out how all the houses in Fairbanks have the like exact same model. At least from the outside, that's how they look. Why does that place look familiar?
Right down there, we're gonna go buy our house, sweetie.
That's all the hay bales in that one space.
Yep. And our house will be out the left side here.
Which way is left? Okay, I've been at look.
Did you see it?
Yeah. I saw it without realizing it was ours. I'm like, that trampoline looks like ours, and that house has a similar color, but ours! Trees are way taller here than anywhere else.
Fairbanks Tower, Citabria, 5176 Tango, ready to come back for 20 left and pattern work.
Citabria 5176 Tango, roger. Remain east of the center line. Traffic on a 7.5-mile straight and final for runway 20 left, the Skyhawk out of 3,000 feet. If that's you north of the field, continue westbound and remain west of International.
76 Tango, you'd like me to remain west of the airfield.
And Citabria 5176 Tango negative. Continue on that heading. I'm going to keep you east, and I'll bring you south, and you can expect like a 180 in the downwind. I'm going to let that Skyhawk get past you. It's at your 6 o'clock in a mile and a half now.
Citabria 76 Tango saying east, and you'll give me, you'll bring me back around.
Got a mile and a half, making a left 360 Citabria, last reported altitude 1,200.
Looking for a Facejacket.
Destination 0322, Fairbanks, sir.
What do you think of this?
322.
I think I just...
Destination 0322, Fairbanks,
What's
sir.
that?
Is that a farm?
Down there? That's Creamer's Field, sweetie. We've been circling over it.
Ah.
Citabria 5176 Tango, continue on that heading, and the traffic, Skyhawk traffic, you're following now. Passed off your 10 o'clock mile southbound 2,400. I'll call you turn inbound.
Citabria 76 Tango, you'll call my turn inbound. I have traffic in sight.
Okay, Citabria 5176 Tango, roger. Go ahead and make that left turn. Follow the Skyhawk in. Your number 2, runway 20 left, clear to land.
76 Tango, number 2, 20 left, clear to land.
Huh?
So, do you see that airplane out there with the light flashing?
Oh, yeah.
We get to land behind him, number 2. That's what they're telling us.
That sounds like, it kind of looks like someone who's screaming.
Now, I lost him. Do you see him anymore? Do you see the airplane anymore?
No.
Okay. No, I got him.
Okay. If you look close, when we were flying over the buildings a few minutes ago,
Yeah?
so if you looked closely, you could like read the names and
Oh, yeah?
and stuff.
I'm glad you're having fun. Now we're going to practice some pattern work and do some different landings and stuff, okay?
Okay.
Can you see those red lights on the ground next to the runway?
I can see a red building, but I can't see anything else.
Okay.
Where are we now?
What's that?
Where are we now?
Oh, we're heading back to the airport. It's right in front of us, but you can't see it yet. We're basically over Fairbanks. There's the railroad yard. There's the expressway, Johansson.
Wow.
You like that?
Uh-huh. I wish I brought my tablet.
You want to take some pictures with my phone?
It's okay.
Well, I'm glad you're having fun.
What's that bridge with all the construction thingies?
Oh, yeah?
What is that bridge with all the construction thingies?
That's the university bridge that they've been working on this whole time.
Huh, wow.
You ready?
Citabria 76 Tango, turn left at Sierra, taxi to parking base ramp and monitor ground. Good day.
Citabria 5176 Tango, like stay out for pattern work.
Citabria 76 Tango, start your departure roll traffic on short final.
Wait, we're going back up?
Yeah,
Why are we going back up?
because I want to do a couple patterns. Were you done?
Huh?
Were you done?
Citabria 76 Tango, make left close traffic.
Why we were going back up?
Citabria 76 Tango, left close traffic. I want to practice a couple more landings.
Citabria 76 Tango, cancel, option clearance, change to runway 20 right. Runway 20 right, cleared for the option. After your option, make right close traffic.
Citabria 76 Tango, switch to 20 right after that, right traffic on 20 right.
Where are we? Those houses look familiar.
What's that?
Where are we? Those houses look familiar.
Maybe we're back out over the airfield again, so we're over downtown. See the university in front of us?
Yeah.
That's the Fred Meyer we don't like to go to. Why are you making that look so awkward?
Because it is.
Getting out of the airplane?
Yes.
You're like a little kid, it shouldn't be that hard.
There's barely even room for my legs.
Did you like it? Did you have fun?
Yes.
It's awesome, right? What do you think of your airplane?
Good.
Bye.